Emirates have drowned in the deep water of the floods. These few weeks have been no less than an adhab for the rich Arab states. And the reason for that is very clear. For whatever they had been doing on the holy land of Arabia, this reminder and warning from the Almighty was definitely on its way. The Arab governments are unable to understand how all of this has happened and how they control this disastrous situation. You can see yourself how the cars are being severely damaged and drowned in this thunder and rainfall. It was not just extreme rainfall and flooding that was disastrous. It was hailing as well. Golf-sized balls of ice fell from the sky with such thunder and noise that nobody and nothing could escape the damage. It was like stones falling from the sky. Ever heard of such extreme rainfall, hail and floods from the United Arab Emirates? No. And that is why this situation reminds us of the Grand Temple inauguration that the government of Abu Dhabi had been planning for the last few weeks. And that is how we conclude that this is not just a weather condition. This is a warning from the Almighty. It is time we take it seriously, brothers and sisters. The government of Abu Dhabi took a vast piece of land which was several acres in dimensions and decided to build a huge state-of-the-art temple for the Hindus. Hindus are the people who worship idols, sheer shirk. And shirk is where Islam draws a strict line. None of us can pass beyond that line. Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "The last hour will not come until some tribes and groups of Arabs indulge in idol worship with the disbelievers." Among all the prophecies of the end of times that are completing themselves in front of our eyes, this major one piles up as well. This is the land of the Sahaba, the warriors, the Shuhada. These were the people who sacrificed their families, spent their lives in famine, hunger, poverty and exile so that Deen could reach us. This is why today we can find the graves and tombs of the Sahaba in various parts of the world. They used to travel on foot and camels with the minimum resources to spread the word of Islam and the Almighty. Today when we see Muslim governments causing up with the idol worshippers, we remind ourselves of the fire of Namrud. Prophet Ibrahim a.s. preferred to be thrown in the well of fire but did not accept idol worshipping. And what is happening today? The government of Abu Dhabi gave out a special invitation to Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, to visit the temple and inaugurate it. God